Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix if iPhone touch screen not responding. First, force restart your iPhone. Press power button plus volume off, then slide to power off, then press power button to back on. Step 2, clean the screen. Wipe your screen with a soft cotton, sweat, dust or moisturize can stop the touch sensor from working. Step 3, remove screen protector. Try removing your screen protector. Some low quality protectors interfere with touch sensitivity. Step 4, disconnect charger or accessories. If your phone freezes while charging, unplug the charger. Cheap cables or adapters can cause touch screen glitch. Step 5. Try safe mode for apps. Sometimes a buggy app freezes the screen. Restart your iPhone and see if the touch screen works before opening any apps. If it works, uninstall the last app you downloaded. Step 6. Update iOS. Go to settings, then general, then software update. Outdated software can cause touch screens bugs. Updating usually fixes it. Step 7. Reset all settings. If the screen still responds, sometimes do this. Settings, then general, then transfer or reset, then reset all settings. This won't delete your data, just reset settings. Step 8. If nothing works, hardware issue, and that's how to fix an unresponsive iPhone touch screen. Try those steps and your iPhone should be working again. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.